Welcome back to the channel. I'm Acorn and I am currently in the Spruce Knob area of Monongahela National Forest in West Virginia. And this weekend I'm going to be doing a 17-ish mile trip. It is a lollipop, so not exactly a loop, but I will end up back at my car tomorrow morning, hopefully. I'm planning to do most of the trip today and camp somewhere along the ridge, maybe 3 miles out from the car tonight. I got in late for me, around 10:15 last night to the trailhead. I took a half day off work, and it's about 7:15 right now, so it's going to be a pretty short, leisurely, hopefully very beautiful trip with some views, a few waterfalls, and hopefully some really beautiful forest. So thanks for coming along with me, and let's see what we can find out here in West Virginia. So I've already passed like 4 really nice campsites very close to the parking area. Look at these cute little chairs. Bet there's a lot of snakes under those rocks though. A fire pit. So if anybody ever wants to come in late at night and just hike in a little bit, there's a lot of options. And I'm gonna have a lot of options for where I camp tonight on my way out. Misty alpine forests are just so like magical. Like I feel like a fairy is about to pop out or something, because it's just so green and misty. These first couple miles have been just so nice. Like I feel like my brain and my mind is being cleansed, because this forest is just, it's perfect. Like look at this. Look at that trail. This is beautiful. Okay, so I'm at my first fork, and you can go right or you can go left, and we want to go left and then hike about half a mile, and then we will take a right at the next intersection. All right, so we made it to intersection number 2. I came from back there, up there, and I'm going to go this way. So I'm going to make a right on the Lumberjack Trail. And we're on this for about 2 miles, but halfway down this trail, there should be a side trail that leads us to a plane crash. And it's an unmarked trail, but I'm going to see if I can find that. It should be coming up in about a mile. So let's see if we can find the plane. I wonder how long this has been here. Like, how old is this plane? This is wild. It's like in 3 different chunks. Let's get a closer look. Yeah. I see an American flag. I wonder if somebody added that later. And then over here, like some doors. So very cool. Let's go look over here. I don't know anything about planes. And there's a piece over here. Huh. Hey, buddy. What kind of salamander is this? Very cute and very little. Oh, where are you going? Alright, bye. Hey, buddy. So now we're gonna take the High Meadows Trail, and I think shortly we should be getting some kind of view. So I'm excited for that, and I see it looks pretty bright and sunny over there, so I think it might not be too long before we get to the view. Ooh, we got trail snacks. Let's see. This one looks good. It's actually really sweet. Oh, there's a lot more. Okay. This one looks perfect. Okay, I'll leave some for the other hikers. I just saw a bear cub. I couldn't get my camera out fast enough. Oh my gosh. It was right down there at that tree. And then it jumped off the tree and it ran. It was a bigger cub. Oh, and I was really hoping I'd see a bear. And that also is the kind of bear encounter that you want to have. I'm so excited right now. I'm like shaking. I just couldn't get the camera out fast enough. Yeah, it's gone now. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't believe I just saw a bear. It's been so long since I've seen a bear. There was like a bigger cub too. I don't see Mom. I don't hear anything. He was being pretty loud. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish I'd gotten on video though. I can't believe I saw a bear. I mean, I can because there's lots of bears out here, but I haven't seen a bear in like 4 years. He ran too. He is gone. Maybe I'll see some more and I can get a video for you. But that was very exciting. The highlight of my trip so far. Look at that. I think earlier in the season, when it's less overgrown, you probably get a better view. Oh, actually, it's gonna open. Nice. It's so nice and green out here. This is beautiful. Alright, the long sleeve had to come off because the sun is quite warm. And in probably like half a mile or so, we should be hitting the waterfall. I think the biggest waterfall, Seneca Falls, maybe. So we'll be seeing that soon. But this field, this like meadow, is so pleasant. It's so pretty and green. Look at this. And we're going this way, down the Horton Trail. And the waterfall should be really soon. This is the coveted campsite at the top of the waterfall. It's cute. And there's another waterfall over here. I'll show you. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh. It's so pretty. What is this? It's so shiny. Hello. There we go. It's like that big, an inch maybe. I've never seen a bug like this before. It's pretty. This is kind of a steep climb up here. I think it's only like just over half a mile to get back up there. And then I know the last part's gonna be flat, so it's pretty though. I don't know what kind of snake this is. It almost looks like a fossorial species. It's a red, I should know this. What are you? A red... Is it an earth snake? No, it's too big. It's this big. This big. Is it dead? Oh no, he's alive. I'm not gonna eat you, I promise. It's so cute. Hello. Aww. Oh, buddy. Oh my god, do you live under this rock? I bet you do. It's so cute. Well, I thought I took a video of me picking up the snake and letting him go. But apparently I wasn't recording, so... Oops. I still feel like I should know what species it was. I'll put it on the screen for you. And we're back at this intersection with the lumberjack trail, and I'm gonna go back the way I came, which is an uphill climb that way, and then through some mud, and in about 2 miles I'm gonna start looking for where I want to set up camp tonight. So I just gotta pick out the best camp spot because there were so many. Having mac and cheese for dinner. Meyer brand. I'm pretty excited about it because I'm pretty hungry. Alright, we made it back to the car, and that was a really great trip. I would give it 5 out of 5 stars. I think if I was trying to introduce my friend to backpacking, or maybe like taking my kid out for the first time, I would probably recommend this trip. The only thing, just be careful with navigation. I didn't personally have any problems, but it's not really blazed. Most of the trail intersections are marked, but some are not. So I just used an online trip guide that I found, which I can put it in the description below. And then I downloaded an all trails map of the area. So not the route, just the area, so I could follow along on the all trails map, and I didn't really have any problems. So I really, really highly recommend this trip to anyone. It was gorgeous. It was just beautiful. And now the only thing left to do is walk over to the overlook that is about 900 feet that way and go take a look at the view. So let's go check that out.